Good morning. Today we are going to see the second program, that is ALP to find the sum of first 10 integer numbers. What is first 10 integer numbers? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, it is like that up to 10, and the result will be after addition it is 55. This is 55 value is in decimal value. Okay, so this value if you convert into hexadecimal, you will be getting the answer 37. I have shown you how LCM I have done. 16 3s are 48, 7 we got, 1603. So from bottom to top 37 we are getting here. Okay, now we will come to the program once again. Area, summation, because any name you can give. Sum we are doing, summation the name I have given, comma, code, comma, read only. So here only read operation is we are performing. Entry is the first instruction. Microcontroller will come to know from here onwards it should start executing. Start is from start and end is the program. These two are the instructions. Microcontroller will come to know where here it has to start, here it has to end. This is a label. Okay. Now move R5 comma hash 10. Hash 10 means the value of 10 will go and store in R5 register. Move why 10? Because total number of digits are 10 integer number. That is the reason we are moving 10 value to R5. Now move R0 comma hash 0. 0 will go and store in register R0. Why we are giving the value 0? Because we want to store final result after addition. We want to store in R0. We are initializing the register to 0 initially. We are storing finally the value R0 here. Now move R1 comma hash 1. Hash 1, the value 1 will go and store in R1. Now next we are going to the loop, is the label. See, all these are tab space. This is without tab space. In the Keil software we are going to write down. Now add is the instruction, add R0 comma R1. What this will do? R0 is equal to R0 plus R1. That only I have written here. Okay. Now next. So addition instruction, R0 comma R1. What is the value of R0 initially? The value of R0 is 0. The value of R1 is 1. So R0 comma R1. 0 plus 1. The result of R0 becomes 1. Okay. Now add R1 comma hash 1. What this will do? The value of R1 is 1 here. So R1 is equal to R1 plus 1. That means what will happen here? R1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So that 2 will go and store in R1. Sub instruction, subtraction it will do R5 comma hash 1. R5 is equal to R5 minus 1. So what will happen? 10 minus 1 becomes 9. That 9 will go and store in R5 register. Now next is a compare instruction. What CMP means compare instruction, R5 comma hash 0. 9 is compared because we got 9 here earlier. 9 comma 0 is compared. Branch not equal. That means if they are equal only, if they are not equal only, it should go to this label. If they are equal, then it should not execute this instruction. It should not at that time if they are equal. Now as they are not equal, branch not equal, it goes to the label loop. Because label loop you have given, it goes to this point. Now add R0 comma R1. What will happen earlier now? The result of R0 is 1 earlier because 0 plus 1. Here 0, 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Now that 1 will be there in R0 here. 1 plus 2 will happen. Why? Because here R1 plus 1. R1 value is 1. It becomes 2. See here now. In detail explanation I'll be showing here. So R0 is equal to R1. R0 is equal to R0 plus R1. So 1 is initially, how we got? 0 plus 1 we have added and the result of R0 is stored here. Now the same R0 is used here. This addition is used here. R0 is equal to R0 plus 1. 1 plus 2 because this R1 is initialized plus 1 in the code. We got 3. Now again this 3 is used here. 3 plus 3 is 6. Again this 6 is used in R0. 6 plus 4 is 10. That 10 is again is used here. We are incrementing every time here with the R1, and the result is storing here. Finally the result is storing in R0. Like this it is being continued, and finally 55 will get here. Okay, now we'll come to the program once again. So every time we are comparing. So when it is getting reduced from 10 minus 1 9, 9 minus 1 8, like that it becomes here in the subtraction. Finally when it comes R5 is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Compare R5 comma 0, 0 is compared with 0, branch not equal. This instruction won't execute. It will come out of the program. Stop is a label, B stop B. It is unconditional branch instruction. It goes to the stop label once again. This will continue for infinity. Now finally END is the end of the program. Processor will stop here. Finally the result will be stored where? Output in register R0. Why? Because here in the addition finally result is storing is R0. Understanding? Now here this from this also you clearly understand. Finally it will go like this. This is iteration. Each iteration I have explained here. Thank you.